Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about the contact force. In today's class, we study about non-contact forces. Non-contact force means whenever the two objects are not touching each other, when there is no contact between each other, where there the force exerts, we call such forces as non-contact forces. The first one is magnetic force. I hope you all have played with the magnets, right? Yes, they attracts the another magnet and even the iron filling steel things, etc. Whenever the force exerted by the magnet by attracting the other objects, we call it as magnetic force. We know that the charge of the opposite poles of the magnet attracts each other, whereas the same poles they repulse. In the same way, when there is the magnetic force applying on the other object, we call such force as magnetic force. We have second type of force, non-contact force, that is electrostatic force. Electro means that is the charge. Whenever we charge the one object and which the other object can be attracted by the object, we call such kind of force as electrostatic force. For example, I hope you all played with the scale, right? Whenever you rub the scale with you to your head or to a cloth, there will be the exertion of the charge on the scale, and when you place the scale to the piece of the paper can be attracted by the scale. There the force applied is electrostatic force. We call such force as electrostatic force. The definition is electrostatic force is the force exerted by the charged body. Here the charged body is the scale on another charged or uncharged body. The other uncharged body is the piece of paper. The third non-contact force is gravitational force. We know the gravitational force, right? Yes, the earth has the gravity. Whenever the force exerted by the earth on all the object has been attracted towards the earth, right? The force acting on upon the objects by the earth is gravitational force. Yes, when you throw a ball upside, it will falls down. This is because of the gravity of the earth. When we are standing on the earth, because of the earth's gravity, even though the other objects that can be thrown upside, they'll fall down again due to gravity. These are the examples for gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force exerted by the earth on all the objects. It has been pulling the objects towards it. We call it as gravitational force. These are the three kinds of non-contact force which we have studied in today's class. In the next class, we will be dealing with the pressure. And thanks for watching, children.